Good morning everybody. Today we're going on a Mediterranean cruise with the Royal Caribbean. It's for 14 nights and 15 days. Just waiting for the taxi right now. Okay, so right now it seems like we're moving house because we've got 7 suitcases. One is for food, one is for shoes, and then the rest is clothes and toiletry. Finally made it to Southampton port. Putting up potatoes, I don't think you can see it. Oh, yeah? Papa. Ah, we made it! Oh my god. How do I work the light? Oh, it's like this. Yes, I did it. Oh my god. I made it, so. This is the bathroom. Shower, toilet, and your normal stuff. Towels they give. Mirror, sink, and then there's space here as well for storage. This is the cupboard in the room. It's got a safe, plenty of space, plenty of storage, loads of hangers. They've given us information here. So much. Cruise compass as well. It tells us everything that we need to know for today, for day 1. This is the ocean view room, stateroom. So that's the twin bed. Then there comes with a sofa, a table, TV, desk, loads of storage space. So much storage space. Obviously we'll go through it afterwards. This is the cupboard. It's got a safe and everything. So much storage space. Oh god. Oopsie. And then the bathroom. Shower. Toilet. Towels. Mirror. Everything. It's got storage space underneath as well. They've also given us our tickets for the adventure and excursions that we've booked.
let him finish. They have to finish this side first.
That was great. Oh! Alright, not too high. So we have hand wash areas as well. Everyone's getting food. And this is Sorrento's. This is where you can get pizza and other snacks every day. We're going now. So we just got ready for dinner, and today's dinner is at the main dining room. And this is the beautiful view that we have from our room. Mushroom soup. Cute, they put on teddy bears like that, and then they also gave us tomorrow's cruise compass, all the information we need to know for tomorrow. We are now cruising at high seas. It's a bit windy, but it's still so cool. Sunset. Oh. So cool. Before the